Hello, we cannot upload WebP type image to WordPress website, and in today's video I'll show you how to upload WebP image without any plugin. Okay, and you can watch this video in full and then you will understand how to upload a WebP type image in our WordPress website. So let's start. First, open or log in your cPanel, public HTML, and here go to WP includes. Open this one file, and under WP includes here one option or one file here present, function.php. Functions.php file. Open this and first here change or search images, and here add WebP. Copy first line, paste, and WebP. Save change. First check my website accept the WebP image or not. Okay, first download this file, picture, WebP image, save as. YouTube banner, okay, and this one, and go media, add new, and select file. We select the WebP version image on all file, then PHP tag, YouTube banner, here don't show web image, and try to these two. First upload, and here security, sorry, this file type is not permitted for security reason. Okay, now change images, then search image format, and same as here, copy second line and add WebP. Now third line number 3218. Now here search this one, return apply underscore filters. Okay, now add WebP. Okay, I change three section, first images, then image format, then third one return, apply filters and save changes. Okay, and refresh my dashboard. And now try to upload WebP version. Add new, select file. Okay, you see the WebP image is upload, and then file, banner, this one is WebP, open. Okay, WebP images upload in our WordPress website. Thank you.